Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Solana from XMO to Uphold in 2025. If you're holding Solana on XMO and want to move it to Uphold for better management or trading opportunities, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your crypto safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Uphold. You'll need your Solana balance in XMO and the exact wallet address from Uphold. Why do this? Uphold offers great features for staking and tracking, so transferring can level up your crypto game. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Wallets section. Select Solana from your asset list. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. It's super simple, just like withdrawing cash from an ATM. Step 2. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Double-check that you have enough to cover any network fees, which for Solana are usually pretty low thanks to its fast blockchain. Then, paste in your Uphold Solana wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll see a summary of the details, including estimated fees and arrival time. Hit confirm, and your Solana will be sent over the Solana network. This typically takes just a few minutes in 2025, thanks to ongoing network improvements. Step 4. Once sent, log into your Uphold account and check your wallet. You should see the Solana deposited shortly. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Give it a bit more time or contact support. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Solana. Remember, stay vigilant with security. Use two-factor authentication, and keep an eye on market trends. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.